So the next one, I'm going to do the anti-gravity house. You can see it consists of more than one piece. So let's open it. Okay, this is the instruction. And this is the base. And this must be the roof here. So I just use the blade to cut off the pieces, and I just need to trim the corner with the scissors. This is the rooftop, and this is the base. This is the wall on the other side. These are the walls in between in the house. Now I have to cut the corners first. So the next step, I need to fold the edges according to the instruction. Okay, let's start folding it. I'm going to use this ruler. This one has to go this way. Okay, now it's half done. The base and the wall surround the house is done. And now I've used a combination of double-side tape and glue. I'm going to put glue here. The double-side tape is going to help to hold it to the position while the glue is not dry. And okay, let me put the glue on. So now the house is done. Currently the lighting is not quite right, so it looks a little bit weird. I can give you a look surrounding the house. It's just like this. And supposedly from this perspective, it should look like a house. But the lighting is currently not quite correct. But I'm happy. Okay.